This 20-acre horse farm is located at 943 Willow Beach Road in Portage, Summerhill Township, Pennsylvania. The horse training and boarding facility includes a 130 by 170 Morton barn with 60 stalls, a huge indoor riding track, 65 by 40 cattle barn, milk house, 10 run-ins, horseshoe shed, and 25 by 70 equipment shed. This property has a home that offers a large, bright eat-in kitchen, extended living room, first floor bathroom and laundry, as well as a spacious sun porch off the kitchen. All of this property is fenced, but 5 acres that are wooded and can be used for trail riding. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Call Beth Rena at Coldwell Banker Prestige Realty at 814-269-4411 or 914-882-8888 today.